If we take a look at our project plans, we have a lower lateral connector that is connected to our side pieces. Now, if you recall, we did a few different drilling operations, both in our side pieces, as well as drilling one pilot hole in our lower lateral connector. Using 1 1/4 inch screws, we're going to start the screw in the top hole on our side piece, and we're only going to install the screw until about 1/8 inch comes through the other side. Then we're going to line up our lower lateral connector with the location that screw is coming out and hold that in place while we install the screw the rest of the way. And we'll follow that procedure for the other side as well. Now, once the top screw on both sides have been installed, we're going to gently lock down the screws with an impact driver.